Hello, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the interview with Barbin Chic and Barvin She. And I had a couple of DMs and some messages from other people saying they want to see a little bit more close up with the diorama room that I made for the sewing room. And here's Angelique standing against the mirror. This is that nice paper that you can get from Hobby Lobby, is where I got that from. And then I made this shelf here out of paper and cardboard, of course, and details of decor on it. And these are little yarn bundles of threads that I've found at the Goodwill in a bag for like $1. And then we have bulk of materials down low here. And you got to be really careful. Good, anyway, but yeah, I just put some material around some cardboard and wrapped it around different sorts of colors and ideas. And then we have our little mannequins I got off of eBay. They were like 99 cents each. It took forever to get them, like 6 weeks. And some wall decor I did myself, pictures, and some of my famous Barvin Chic designs. I went on and put them up on the wall. Why not? I've created all of those. I actually have a lot more. And I did some threading bobbins of threads down there, spools. And here's the sewing machine, the famous Singer sewing machine. And ribbons hanging on the wall. This chair I actually got from the Goodwill. I love this chair. It was actually red in here. You could put a photo in it. But I took the glass out and I went on and repainted it myself, and I just love it. It was 99 cents from the Goodwill. And here's my little table that goes with the sewing machine here. And a little chair I got for 39 cents on half off day at Goodwill. So actually this room did not really cost much, and I'd say this room was about, let's say about $5 to $6. So I'm really impressed with my talents, and I hope you guys enjoy the upcoming interviews that are coming soon. You guys have a nice weekend. Bye for now.
Barbie car, shining bright. Barbie gonna stay up all night. Barbie time, every day. So break out the Barbies, we gon' play. Have a lot of fun, wait and see. You're never too old to play Barbie.